welcome to Media Morals. This week we're going to be talking about Frozen.
The party is over. Close the gates.
What? Frozen is one of the most watched movies of all time, and because of it they made Frozen 2 very recently. I went out to watch it. It was actually pretty good. Although Frozen 2 just recently came out, I wanted to focus this on more Frozen 1 because there's a lot more in there that you can actually learn about life than you can from Frozen 2. Because Frozen 2 is more just a continuation of the story and learning about like all the stuff going on afterwards.
It opened!
So, I thought we were going to do something different today. I wanted to make a craft. So that's why I'm in a different corner of my room. I have a table next to me here to be crafting on. I don't know if you can really see it. I tried to set it up, but you know, it's there. It's the thought that counts. But yeah, I have some white paper, so it'll look kind of like the snowflakes that Elsa makes with her ice powers.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
First of all, the first thing you want to do is make sure your paper's in a square. So you can do that by folding over one of the corners to make a little triangle flappy thing, and then you can cut off the excess. One of the main things that I think I learned about in like Frozen was that kind of like sisterly bond thing. Not having siblings, it's not something I really like can connect with on feel like the level it's meant to be, but I mean I do have like cousins and I'm really close to them, so I really appreciated seeing that in a Disney movie because usually you don't. Usually it's just focusing on like princes and all the true love and stuff like that is a lot more cliche. But yeah, I have my square now. At this point I think you just like fold it up in half, fold it in half again. I'm not sure how to make this look like legitimately like nice, but I have a feeling you just have to like keep folding. Okay, I'm gonna start just randomly cutting up this piece of paper and we'll see how it turns out. The next thing I really wanted to talk about with like Frozen stuff is like bottling up emotions. I just have paper. Bottling up emotions, like Elsa, you know, she's told like she's gotta be this emotionless like person or else her powers are gonna hurt people, but like obviously that doesn't help anything, you know, at all. Just makes her more stressed. It gives her more emotions she has to bottle up, you know.
What are you so afraid of? I said enough!
And then when she does finally get her powers out there, it's not the best of circumstance. So like you gotta just be honest with like people and put your emotions out there, and that's a good lesson to learn. This is what I'm working with so far. It's cute, but it's not what it's gonna look like when I open it. I want to make another cut here. I think honestly I think a lot of what like kids got from Frozen is different than like the morals. I think the kids mostly just picked up on the fact that Elsa has powers and she's super cool, without actually noticing like a lot of the important story elements in it. Okay, it's the moment of reveal. Moment of reveal. Okay. And I have a snowflake kind of. I think I can cut a little bit more on these edges, and maybe that will help. We shall see, we shall see. I know this video is going to be a lot different than past Media Moral videos I've done. I'm just kind of getting tired of the same format that I've been using, and I wanted to do something different. It's just like sit down video. See, oh, that's so much better. It's a snowflake. It's a snowflake now, so yeah.
Yeah, I bet she's the nicest, gentlest, warmest person ever. Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
Second snowflake. I feel like a lot of the older princesses were kind of like role models, like, oh, this is who like this is a nice person. But Anna is like, both Anna and Elsa are really awkward in different ways. Anna's like outgoing and like friendly, but she's still kind of like not used to interacting with people and like...
Oh, great. For now, how about boots?
kind of overexcited about things. And then Elsa is really introverted, and like you can see how like they're not perfect. Like they're not. You can learn a lot about that just being you, you know? I'm not sure how this video will turn out. It's like, I was thinking of doing a DIY, and then I was like, I can't DIY things. I can't like give you instructions because I'm not that great. But this is kind of the solution I came up with. My snowflake just fell apart. That's crazy. I got this piece of paper and it fell off. It's really weird, but I mean, I thought it was going to be ruined, so. Here's my second snowflake. Kind of okay, kind of okay. Didn't turn out as terrible as we thought.
Who marries a man she just met?
It's true love!
Whoa!
I'd love to just like put in some clips of Frozen happening beside me, since like that's probably the most interesting of like the video, and I am pretty sure it's covered by fair use since I'm here to display my message about Frozen being a great movie about being yourself and loving your family. And also that's the thing, it's not just about like sisters, you know, because it's more just about like family in general. Like I've never seen another Disney movie that, I mean, I guess you could count Coco, but that's a Pixar movie, with like the same kind of message about family. It's pretty unique, especially for like the Disney Princess franchise, where most often it's princesses whose like parents have died, or their like parents are like terrible people, like Cinderella. Like, you know, they're not giving you at all that kind of same message. So I was gonna originally make a snowman, and then I was like, I don't think I can make a snowman. There's no snow. But like also I don't have any skills whatsoever to make a snowman, because I don't know what I'd actually make it out of, like paper. Like I can't make a snowman out of paper. Oh, kind of cute, kind of cute. Kind of cute, kind of cute. I'm impressed. Wow, I like this. I like this. All right. Snowflake 1. Snowflake 2. Or Snowflake 3. I personally think Snowflake 1 was the best attempt. I don't know. So, if you guys haven't caught my drift about Frozen, I usually have one message, but this week I had two. It's about family because of the holiday season. You guys are gonna probably be visiting a lot of family. Just remember to like appreciate them. Don't shut them out like Elsa did. And it's also just about being yourself too. So don't be afraid to just let it go, to go into the unknown and, you know, be you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another 2 weeks. I'm not sure what kind of videos coming next after that though. We're kind of figuring this out. We might do a winter special or something. But anyway, bye internet!